Dear friends of the Violet Race Garage, this evening I'm having some really exciting news for us all, and I would like to demonstrate and show you this new kind of electrodes that have been produced by Lutz Neumann here in Germany. These electrodes are the combination of two healing powers that we know: the healing power of stones, of special stones, and also the healing power of the high frequency. As you see here, this stone is brought into this shape, which is absolutely demonstration of the glass blowing skills that Lutz has. It's brought here into this shape, and the high frequency is flowing through the structure of this stone. There are different stones available, and as it is told, each person has a special stone that has a big impact on her, so you can find this out, what is your stone, and you can check if your stone is available in this electrode. This is my stone. This is obsidian. This is very difficult to bring into this shape, and I'm so happy to have this one. And about the effect, I think that the high frequency, the swinging, the frequency itself brings the inner molecular structure of the stone into a movement, and hopefully, and this is my hypothesis, this releases a stronger healing power of the gem than just taking it into your hands. So this is something that probably physicians will find out how this is working, but I am deeply convinced that there is an extremely positive effect done by these electrodes. And now I would like to show you how these electrodes look if you are using them. So let me switch the light off. And this is the obsidian. You see, the energy is running here, which is neon. It's running through this stone, around it. And here is what you have on your hand. I think also these electrodes are so extremely beautiful, and it's a masterwork of glass blowing. And you see here, the emission is somehow another emission than from a comparable electrode without the stone. It's somehow softer and exciting. So this was the obsidian, and I would also like to show you some other stones, because there are maybe also some other effects to demonstrate. This is quite another color. Other things happening here, I think, could be a rose quartz. We call them rose quartz here. You see, I think it's a really soft and smooth emission. I really like this very much. You see the difference in the colors, because I think also the stone is influencing the color of the neon gas. So there is kind of interaction between both. I am absolutely sure. And now try just another one. Let's see what happens here. You see, quite another effect. We call this a crystal from the mountains. It's a very clear crystal, and which has a very straight structure. And you see again, that the neon is changing its own color when interacting with the stone. And you see the emission here. So, and now just the last one. I was so happy to get 4 of them. And now I want to show each of them to you. You see, again, completely other effect comparative to the obsidian. And here the neon is very, very bright and orange. So, this was my demonstration for today. I hope you are as excited about this innovation as I am, and I am really convinced of this increased healing effects that this combination has. And now I wish you a nice and high frequent evening.